Hello friends, welcome to today's video. In this video, we will calculate the total salary from the list. First of all, in this table, we have the following columns: serial number, name, salary, percentage, and total salary. Let's suppose we want to raise these people's salaries. Ahmad 10,000, Munir 20,000, Kabir 30,000. And also we can add 5%, 10% for each salary. And after that, at the end we can find the total salary. So let's follow the structure. The formula will be like this. And the rest of the values will be generated automatically in the same manner, like this. Thanks for watching.